Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, a weekend. Sometimes the most beautiful weekends are the simplest ones. No fancy plans, no rushing from one place to another. Just a quiet morning at home, doing the things that need to be done and enjoying the little moments along the way. Today, come spend a simple weekend with me, doing hand washing laundry, hanging my uniforms to dry, taking care of my plants, folding clothes, and enjoying a little slow living at home. Since it's the weekend, it's also a laundry day. There is something therapeutic about doing laundry by hand. It may be tiring, but somehow the rhythm of washing, rinsing, and squeezing the clothes give me a quiet moment to think. These are my uniforms that I wear throughout the week. After so many years of working, even something as simple as washing my uniforms reminds me of how many mornings I have gotten ready for school and started another day of service. It's laundry time! Let's get these uniforms nice and clean. Before I hang the freshly washed laundry, I have to take down yesterday's clothes first. It's always satisfying to see everything dry and ready to be folded. Now that the clothesline is empty, it's time to put up today's laundry and let the sunshine do its work. One by one, I hang the fresh clothes and uniforms, making sure they get plenty of air and sunlight. It's just another simple weekend chore, but somehow these little routines make the home feel warm, organized, and cared for. And now, out to the back of the house they go, freshly washed clothes, fresh air, and hopefully a little sunshine. I actually enjoy hanging laundry outside. There is something satisfying about seeing everything neatly arranged on the clothesline, slowly drying under the sun. Nothing fancy, just clean clothes, sunshine, and a peaceful weekend. After some time, the laundry was finally dry. Time to bring everything inside and fold them. I actually like folding clothes when a house is quiet. It gives me time to reflect on the week that has passed. Life is made up of these ordinary moments. Washing clothes, hanging them in the sun, folding them, watering plants, cleaning little corners of the house. They may look ordinary, but when we slow down, we realize that these are also the moments that make up a beautiful life. And after finishing my little weekend chores, it's time to pause. A clean home, freshly folded clothes, happy plants, and a little time for myself. As I grow older, I appreciate these simple things more and more. I no longer feel that every weekend needs to be exciting. Sometimes, a peaceful day is already enough. So, that's how I spent a simple weekend at home. Nothing extraordinary, just laundry, sunshine, plants, and little household routines. But perhaps that is what slow living is all about. Finding happiness in the ordinary. Thank you for spending this quiet weekend with me. Until our next vlog, take care of yourself. Enjoy the little things and remember, a simple life can still be a beautiful life.